Morning, people. Day 25 or whatever fucking challenge this is. That is day 25 done. I did miss out one set of exercises, again because of equipment hogging situations, which is fucking bullshit, but whatever. I didn't actually substitute it with nothing else because I'm fucking knackered, so it is what it is. I'm a little bit like, you know, when you're a bit like, I'm pissed, man. I'm totally freaking pissed because I couldn't do my full sets. And why the fuck is it so busy on the weekend? So busy. Like, to the point where I didn't think I was actually going to go in because these people ain't my people. But it's okay. Soon come. And also, I didn't feel away because the kids got football today. So there's going to be a lot of walking up and down. There's going to be a lot of shouting. There's going to be a lot of enthusiasm. Like, I do need quite a lot of energy for footballs on Saturday. And now I'm also thinking about starting a women's football team. I can't run, but I mean I can run, but it's kind of like an ostrich with two legs, two left legs, but mine kind of go like that. Anyway, bye.